You are like a big bird of prey, flying high. But you are not there to stalk prey. You are looking over people's lives, looking over people. You take care of others. You make them feel safe. You do it discreetly, not interfering. But they know you are there. It makes them feel safe. You have your finger in the door occasionally. You don't make them feel watched. You are good at being in the background, not taking the stage, supporting people in their struggles. You remind people of their strength. You have come to understand you cannot save everyone. That has been hard for you. Every soul has to walk down the path they have chosen. Not everyone is to be saved. This bird of prey, there's also a sense of freedom for yourself. Freedom you have acquired. You have grown to understand you need to grant the same freedom to yourself. This makes you a much happier person. You have grown in the love you are able to give, and your confidence has grown. Some of the people you help grow fruit now and harvest their fruit. They, in return, help others. Isn't that wonderful? You are doing well. You are very modest, and you keep your ego at bay. And imagine being able to reach out to people across the world. This ability is enthralling. There is a spiritual grid across the planet, as well as the internet. We are so pleased with your progress. Remember, as you grow and become more sensitive, the light within you grows and gets bigger, sending a signal to others that they pick up. This attracts them to you, like the fragrance of a flower attracting bees. Your light is like that, a nectar you share with others. We hope you continue at this. We feel you are good at this. You have a big heart that can sense the feelings of others. Others sense that in you. Others can take refuge in you. You are a pillar for others. One feeds into the other. And we have watched you develop this for a long time. You also work with your hands, healing people. You may not be aware of this. Perseverance and dedication to your work. It all balances out. We want to send you our love and appreciation. The world is changing fast. Continue to commune with us.